Yo guys, this claymation photo trend is literally everywhere right now. And honestly, the results are way too funny. Imagine turning your normal photo into a cursed but cute clay character with giant eyes, weird teeth, messy textures, and super goofy expressions. Here's how to do it. First, open ChatGPT on your phone or PC. Then go to the Create Images mode. After that, upload your photo. Or honestly, you can use your friend's photo too if you want to prank them a little. Now, this is the important part. Copy and paste this special claymation prompt. You can screenshot the prompt on this video or check the description for the full version. Once everything's ready, just hit send. And wait a few seconds while ChatGPT transforms your photo into this chaotic claymation masterpiece. And boom! Done! Look at this. The eyes, the weird smile, the messy clay texture. It looks like a cursed stop-motion movie character, and I absolutely love it. You can save the image, post it on TikTok, Instagram, make it your profile picture, or even turn your whole friend group into clay characters.